Wow. What is it, Mama?
Bug.
It's a bug. What kind of bug? Is it an ant?
And
Wow. You like it?
yeah, I like it.
Today we're going to bring a microscope for kids, and this is a kit that's including all you see in here, including the instructions, the charging station because it is chargeable here, type C. Now they do give you slides, and this is a slide so they can start in their adventure by exploring microscopic objects, and they give you the extra startup kit in here, and they give you a kit so you could collect your own species in here and actually watch it through the actual microscope. This is great for those kids to get them motivated and get them started on the sciences. So let's put it together and see how it works. You got your power and your modes in the left and right. So we're gonna open it up and test it out. And just to let you know, they do have a cleaning cloth because it does have an actual camera built in here. And this is the actual focus, all right? So this is how you actually lift it up, all right? So all the way down, enough clearance for the slides, all the way up. And if you want, you could capture and record your stuff through the micro SD card in here. And they give you 32 gigs, so which is great. We're going to try to capture as much as we can, pictures and videos. All right, very important to let you guys know how it works, all right? So you could record, make sure you format the card first, all right? To record, it will be 2 clicks on this one, 1, 2, it starts recording, it says start, right? It starts recording automatically into the actual system itself, right? When you stop it, you hit it once, it stops it. Now, if you want to review the video, you could just hit this and it will play back the video. And it tells you how many videos you have in here, pretty much, you know, all of them that you have. And then you hit memory, it goes back into the actual system. Now, you could dim down the lights in here. And I'm going to show you, I'm going to flip this out to the side, if you guys can see, by holding the button down. So you could, that's the highest. And then we could go to a lowest. Keep going down, just hold it down. You could even turn off the light itself and then you could go back to the highest, all right? Just make sure you're aware that you could put this up and down, and it doesn't have to be in this theme too. You could completely take it down, if you guys could see that. Completely, just take it off the actual microscope and do it manually. So for example, we're gonna get a penny here, and you can't see linking on the newer pennies, but you can see them on the older ones. And that's one way that we're able to find out things. So we're going to click on here to record, 1, 2, and then you just go down to it, and then you could focus from there. You guys can see that I'm focusing, and there he is right there. He's right there, standing in here in the center, and we're going to see the older one, the older penny. Let's see if we can see him in there. Focus in there. You can sometimes see him, depends. It's an older penny, so I wasn't able to find him in here, but I was able to find him on the newer one. That's strange. You can see the shape right there on him. So this is, take it out in this in the grass and the plants, put it in your hand so you can see your actual cells too, how much cells you have. And then, like I said, you can focus even. This is my hand I'm doing it on, and I can focus in, and you can see it there. See that? It's crazy. You can see anything you want on that. I like this. This is on the go, not just on the actual handstand here, but it works on both ends. Very simple to just take it out for the kids and enjoy it for hours. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.
Yes, come on.
Why? Ew, that's human blood.
You could zoom in and zoom out.